Dikeh, you will go to the palace and pass on this following instruction. Tell the Igwe and all cabinet members that the gods of the land have said that the two princes will make love to the chosen virgin in order to get the heir apparent to the throne. As the gods of the land give subsequent instructions, you will be going there to make the announcement. Is that clear?
I shall do as you have instructed, Akroba the wise one.
Abansi nkete onesi, Oshikata owansi Naija.
Ezinifita Dikeh Unrequited.
Abansi nkete onesi, Oshikata owansi Naija.
Ezinifita Dikeh Unrequited.
My elders, you are welcome. As we wait for the arrival of Dikeh, the messenger of Akroba, the great chief priest of our land, the eye of the gods, he will soon be here.
Great people of Unrequited Kingdom, I greet you all.
You are welcome.
You are welcome.
Akroba, the eyes of the gods sent me a message to deliver to this great palace of Unrequited Kingdom. A toad, they say, does not run in a broad daylight for nothing. Let me quickly go straight to the point. We all know that the two princes were born on the same day.
And they are more like twins.
That's good. That's good. And it has been declared by the gods on how we can choose the heir apparent to the throne of Unrequited Kingdom.
Tell us, what did the gods say this time?
Ezinifita Dikeh Unrequited. Ezinifita Dikeh Unrequited. The gods demand that the two princes will make love to the chosen virgin in the same room to avoid hints of scandal. You all know what I mean.
Great one. I do not understand you. Please, can you throw more light to what you just said?
You are right, my prince. Great one. Please throw more light on this so that you will understand.
Ezinifita Dikeh Unrequited. I will throw more light on that. Prince Emeka and Prince Chinedu will make love to the chosen virgin on a Kemaked day. If the girl gets pregnant, Akroba, the eyes of the gods will come back for confirmation for the biological father of the baby when she gives birth to the awaiting male child. Ezinifita Dikeh Unrequited. Your Highness, Ezinifita Dikeh Unrequited.
You see?
Oh no.
Yes.
Are you sure it was Akroba that sent Dikeh to make this kind of conversation? And I think something is wrong somewhere. How can Akroba, the mouthpiece of her plan, make this kind of conversation? How can two princes make love to a virgin girl to produce the heir apparent of this kingdom?
Honestly, Mazoku, I was shocked. But I knew very well that this particular custom was in practice in older days. But my grandfather told me that it was abolished because of the scandal and shame he brought to this kingdom of those days.
It's unbelievable. And I know the kids will not accept it because they are educated and civilized. And you know this is modern day.
Well, I know that this is a modern generation, but we cannot turn our back to our tradition because of civilization. You see, if you trace the history of our kingdom, is that since that particular act was abolished, no king has been blessed with a twins from different mothers. So I feel that the gods have a purpose. The ways of the gods are not our own. So our advice that we be calm and see to the end and see to the root of this matter.
Heartless, useless armed robbers killed my queen.
Father, why are you bringing up this issue again? I have told you before now to let go the past. At least those armed robbers were apprehended and persecuted by the law. If you continue to dwell in the past, it might worsen your health condition. Have you forgotten you have high BP? I can't afford to lose you, Father. Can I ask you one question, Father?
What is that? Ask me.
Don't I give you hope?
Oh, my son. I am very sorry to make you feel this way. Please, don't feel like that. You give me hope. You are so precious to me. I am proud of you. Eh? Oh, okay, come, my son. Come and hug me.
Don't worry, Father. I will take care of you in place of mother.
Oh, my son. I accept that.
So, Father, I'm not going to feel good.
Mother, no! No, mother, I will not be allowed to be deceived by this custom and tradition. I will not allow Akroba, the mouthpiece of the gods, to deceive me. I will not allow that to happen.
Chukwemeka, mind your statements. Akroba is the mouthpiece of the gods, and he has never, ever lied to this great kingdom.
That is a mistaken view of Akroba. How can he prophesy such prophecy on us?
Will you shut up? Shut up and stop saying nonsense. This is the decision of the gods, and both of you must dance to this tune for the betterment of this great kingdom. Do you understand that?
I will not follow the ways of the gods of this kingdom. I will never follow it. I already have a woman I want to get married to, and I will do everything and anything to make sure I get married to Rose, and nobody, not even you, would stop me, mother.
No, somebody will stop you. The earlier you understand this instruction, the better and easier it is for you, Chukwemeka.
Mother, you, Father, Akroba, and the entire kingdom, nobody will stop me or can stop me from getting married to the woman I love fairly. Nobody can stop me.
Chukwemeka. I know it's difficult to believe, but that is the fact. You have to get it into your skull. You have to prepare your mind with your stepbrother to fulfill the desire of the gods.
For me, Mom, I don't really buy the idea of allowing Chinedu and Emeka to practice such acts. It's a taboo. Why would the gods?
Will you shut your mouth? You have no right to question the gods. They know better than we do.
But Mom, we all are well enlightened. How can we allow a mere chief priest to manipulate our mindsets? I am not going to do this because I love Lisa so much. And she's the only woman I intend to get married to.
Just listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. this is the situation here. There is nothing you, I, or the entire kingdom could do about it. Nothing. You and your half-brother must. Did you hear me say must do the will of the gods? You and your half-brother have to protect the image of this kingdom. Period.
Mother, if doing this is the only way we can protect this kingdom, then I don't know what the outcome will be. Excuse me.
Chinedu.
Let him be, Mom.
Chinedu.
Let him be, Mom. If you were to be in his shoes, you would have done the same thing. If it is the desire of the gods for them to practice such acts, then I hopefully believe they will agree.
Amaka, I can't think of anything except you.
I am head over heels in love with you. But I don't know why you find it so hard to accept me completely.
Ebuka, are we not friends already? Which other way do you want me to accept you as your friend completely?
Ever since we became friends, you never accepted to make love with me. Why? Ebuka, I'm a Boro Shishi. Please, come to my house and gladden my heart.
Ebuka, have you forgotten what I told you? I told you I made vow before the gods that I am going to remain pure till I'm married.
That is why I am preparing to come and pay your bride price as soon as possible. Please, the gods cannot forbid us from making love. I am begging you.
Ebuka, see, let me tell you. Do you know if you continue this way, I may not like you as my friend again. And I'm leaving here now. Let me go and get my bucket. I'm going to the stream to fetch water. Excuse me.
My king, the gods have spoken, and there's nothing we can do to change that unless you want to neglect the voice of the gods of our land.
But Dikeh, this can never happen. How can I handle this difficult task with my family? The princes already have girlfriends, and they are ready to marry.
Don't speak further unless you want to get the gods angry.
But this very culture and tradition have been abolished years ago by our forefathers.
Ezinifite adikorifite.
Your Highness, let me tell you. This same practice cannot and can never be abolished without a human sacrifice.
All the elders that supported the abolishment were all killed by harmful disease.
Because the wrath of the gods descended on them. And more harm will happen if we continue to argue about this. I will advise us to listen to the gods. Tupu ezinifite adikorifite. Tupu ezinifite adikorifite. Dikeh is only the messenger of the gods. I beg to take my leave, Your Highness.
Gods of our land, please help us. I need more explanation from Akoroba, the great chief priest.
Omega, do you really believe what Dikeh?
Chinedu, I truly don't know what to believe anymore.
This whole thing is pissing me off. I just feel like running away from this kingdom. I really can't afford to disappoint Lisa because I promised her marriage.
Likewise, me. I don't know what to tell Rose. And Rose will be very, very mad when she hears this. I am confused. I am devastated. I don't know what to do. I truly don't know what to do. And to be frank with you, I am not interested to take over from father.
I'm also not interested. But you know, we have to fight and also protect the right and integrity of our family. Emeka, please, can I ask you for a favor?
What favor is that?
Can you start making preparation to take over the throne? At least with that, we wouldn't have to sleep with a certain lady.
Chinedu.
Yes.
I am sorry. I can't accept your request. My problem is Rose. I love Rose so much. I love her.
Then what do you think we should do in this situation?
We can talk this later. Just go back to your room. She's waiting for you.
My lord, my son is not happy. He is very, very angry about the recent developments.
And I hope you also understand that my own son is not also happy about it. Ever since Dikeh came and said what he said.
Stop it. I understand how they are feeling. I'm also not happy about this whole situation. But with my discussion with Dikeh, we can do nothing about it.
My lord, if that is what Dikeh said, that simply shows that the gods are fully involved in this. So we have no cause to regret or be afraid.
Well, the fact is that this culture and tradition has been in existence even before the days of our fathers. I thought they would have been able to abolish it before now. But here are we.
I wonder why the gods brought it back. I wonder.
What is keeping Chizoba? I'm sure she must have gone to see those her stupid boyfriends in one of these bushes. Oh, I don't like this, please. Wait, let's wait for her. She's coming.
Why will you keep us sitting here for very long?
I'm sorry.
You better be.
Sorry. My sisters, this village will never cease to amaze me.
What is it?
Before I came out from my house, I overheard my father telling my mother that the chief priest demanded Prince Emeka and Prince Chinedu to make love to a chosen virgin. What? Chizoba, say what? Do you know what you're saying? That the two princes will make love to one woman at the same time? It's a lie. Very, very abnormal. Not only abnormal, it's a taboo. Whoa. Because they want to know the hair apple to the true. If the chosen virgin gets pregnant and deliver a male child, Akroba the great Dibia will consult the oracle to know the biological father of the child.
This is serious. Honestly, this is serious. Let me ask the both of you. What if this so-called chosen virgin could not be able to give a male child? Whoa. What will happen?
I don't know. Akroba the great Dibia knows how to communicate with the gods. Hey! Yeah,
I wish I am a virgin. At least I would have been the wife of the two princes. At least I would have been parading my son around the palace. Parading. Gods of our land, why did you allow me to be deceived by that stupid Otenko? Chinelo! Why do you have to give your virginity to that village boy? I wonder who the luckiest girl will be that will sleep on the same bed with the princes. Amaka! Where are they? Hey! Wait for me! Are you leaving me now? Wait.
Ibuka, my man. Not to know can. Okay, fine. What is it this time around? KD4.
It's all about Amaka.
Amaka again.
See, I love her with my body and soul. I cherish her so much. I adore her passionately. But it's very unfortunate that she doesn't love me back.
And how are you sure about that?
I am very sure about that. I can feel it here in my heart. If she truly loves me, why then is it hard for her to make love with me?
Ibuka, no problem. See, we're near a while. Wait to Nobi. If you keep on pressurizing Amaka this way, Ibuka, let me tell you, you might lose her one day. And what if she's in love with another man?
Never.
Never?
That will never happen. Amaka cannot betray me. If she breaks my heart, I swear to the gods, I will take my revenge.
Okay, this is bad. You know what will happen now, Let's go inside so that you relax your head, You go, what I told you, let's go inside, Forget this love, super love, syrup, These people will break your heart too. Forget, come, let's go and drink inside.
Good afternoon, my prince.
Good afternoon, my prince.
Yeah, good afternoon. Are you from this village?
Are you talking about me?
No, you.
Yes, my prince, I'm from this village. I'm Mazi Okoro's daughter.
Oh. Mazi Okoro must be very lucky to have such a beautiful girl as a daughter.
I'm flattered, my prince. My mother said the beauty of a woman lies in her character. So don't praise me, my prince. You don't know my character yet.
Oh, you're right. And very intelligent as well.
Thank you, my prince.
All right.
I'm very, very happy. My dream is gradually coming to reality. I've always wished to talk with the prince, and it has manifested. Wow! Be a tabula.
My dear, I'm so happy for you. I'm really happy for you.
My king,
the gods are
thank
famous.
You. Wow, the gods. All thanks goes to the gods who made this possible for me today. Oh,
I'm happy for you.
Thank you very much. Prince Emeka is in love with someone else. How possible can this be? Well, the gods have the final say. Prince Emeka, I know what my heart feels for him. We are not destined to be together. Tradition might destroy my happiness and hope.
Amaka.
Mama, so you are back?
I'm back. And I heard everything you were saying to yourself. So Amaka, you are no longer a virgin. Hey! Amaka.
You won't understand.
Understand what? Understand what, Amaka?
I know that the both of you are angry over what Dikeh said in the morning. I know you are angry over the demands. But as the custodian of our tradition, the rules must be obeyed. No one in this kingdom is greater than the law. The law and tradition of this kingdom must be respected, and the royal family have a vital role to play.
But not to the detriment of my feelings, father. This demand are rather ridiculous, and I will not do it. I have someone in mind. Someone who has sacrificed a lot more for me, and I intend to get married to her.
Son, do not be distracted. Do not allow it to tarnish the image of this great kingdom.
I know the feelings I have for Lisa, and the feelings I have for her is true love. And I'm not ready to obey the demands of God.
I said shut up your mouth before the gods of this land will strike you dead. Huh?
You don't have to be mad at him. He has every right to be angry. Father, if you were to be in his shoes, you would do the same. How can the gods come from nowhere and start telling us what to do and what not to do, Father?
Emeka, but this culture and tradition has been in existence before our forefathers and must be obeyed.
Father, we should stop being blindfolded by our culture and tradition. We shouldn't be blindfolded. Father, it is high time we traced the roots and history of this great kingdom before we make any mistakes. You want to know the truth, Father? I am not interested in being the heir apparent to this throne.
Neither am I interested to become the next king of this kingdom.
Then who will take over this throne? Who will take over this great kingdom? Gods of our land.
Listen, when are you bringing the beautiful damsel you told me about? Because from your description, I am meant to understand that she's a very beautiful woman. Don't you think it's high time you brought her home and proposed to her?
Your Highness, my prince.
Take it easy. Why? I don't want to rush her. You always told me that marriage is not something we jump into. We need to make necessary inquiries about the woman we are willing to marry.
Son, you caught me in there. I am very happy that I have a wise son like you.
Very God we pray. Let's drink. My elders, very long. You are welcome. Have your seat. Do you know who is not here? What happened?
Igwe, do you know who informed me that he's not feeling very fine? Aradre, yeah.
My main purpose of calling this council meeting is because of what Akroba, the eye of the gods, has pronounced. It's already affecting my family. And I want us to look into this matter.
Igwe, I thought as much. Mazi Okonko, what do you say about that?
Nobody questions the gods because the ways of the gods are beyond human comprehension.
Well, my elders, since the Onowu is not here, this meeting has been rescheduled for another time.
abịa m ịnaghị maka iji karịa nke m na-eri nye m ogwugwu ekene gị ogwugwu. There's an assignment before the community. control, you live the land of Unrequited. They have a situation now. Even as you know, I'm going to echo it, that they are looking for a virgin from whom to expect. You've been doing before. You've carried greater assignment before. This is no good. Show them the virgin. I trust you. I know you will do it excellently. Look where? Oh, Jawabu! Ungwana! Eh? Oh! Aha! Aha! Oh, Jawabu! Oh, Rubeji! Oh, Dikeh! Oh, Dikeh! Oh, Dio!
Is itching me. My body.
Your body? Are you sure you're taking your bag properly?
I'm taking my
I suggest we meet Akroba to find out the cause of this scratch on her.
Wise one. I don't know what happened to my daughter. She was washing. All of a sudden she started screaming and scratching her body endlessly.
Do not panic, because the gods are wise. Your daughter will be fine. In fact, she is the chosen virgin, the chosen virgin.
My daughter, are you still a virgin?
Of course, Mama. You should do something and stop this crash. It's making me uncomfortable.
Alright, leave her. Don't touch her. Don't touch her. Be still! Recover.
Mama. Papa. I'm fine.
Bring her up.
You rise. Wise one, we greet you. Thank you.
You can now.
We greet you, wise one. Thank you.
I want to sing it your name. Oshito once tonight. I want to sing it your name. Oshito once tonight. I want to sing it your name. Oshito once tonight.
Chinedu, please don't even go there. How could you say such a thing to me?
My love, the gods of our land have demanded that me and my stepbrother, Emeka, must make love to a woman. And when she's pregnant and she delivers, the mouthpiece of the gods will ascertain who the biological father of the child will be. And then also to know who will be the heir apparent to the throne.
Chinedu, how could you allow yourself to be manipulated by your people?
when you have already known the truth about yourself? Do you know the pain I passed through the day I accepted to marry you? I decided to sacrifice my...
Don't even go there. I have no right to question the gods, because the gods are wise. Lisa, this relationship is over.
Eh?
I cannot disrespect the tradition of our land. Goodbye.
Chinedu, come back here.
Lisa, what's the matter? Why are you crying? Is it Prince Chinedu? I saw him leaving and he looked so scary. Talk to me, you know I'm your only sister.
Prince Chinedu has abandoned me. He just broke up with me.
What? Why?
I don't know. Jenna, I don't know.
I'm sorry.
I invited you over to express my feelings. You see, right from when we were on campus, I've always had a thing for you, but you never took note of me. So, now your ex is married, that's Amanda. I would like you to take me as your girlfriend.
Well, you see, Rose, you're the woman in me.
Shh. Don't say it. So, my prince, to what do I owe this unexpected visit? You couldn't even call me on the phone.
Rose.
What is it?
All is not okay.
What is it? I mean, you can talk to me.
I am sorry we cannot be husband and wife because of the custom and tradition of my people. I don't think we'll have a future for this relationship.
Why?
The same tradition. The same old tradition. I'm sorry. Are you sure I'm doing the right thing?
Are the girls really wise? Are she confusion? When rumors are trying to be wiser than the gods. Are the girls really wise? When the foundation becomes the solid truth.
Frank, my good friend, can I know why you are hiding your identity from your boyfriend?
You see, well, after my horrible experience with my family, I decided not to showcase myself to the public.
I can understand. It was a few weeks later after the experience you had with your family, and that was the time you met her.
That's true.
This world is funny. Me, I used to dream to come from royal family so that I would always put on royal costume, have guards around me, honored by the public with respect. But look at you, you never thought of that. But Frank, you need to let her know your family background.
She gave me bad impression about herself. I overheard her talking to her friend that she's desperate to marry a prince. Above all, she's not even sure if she's getting married to me.
Thank God you lied to her that you traveled to abroad. So, what is your next plan?
I still want to give her another chance. I truly love her.
If you had known, you shouldn't have let her know that you are rich. You should have disguised yourself totally.
Well, Michael, the mistake has already been made. Let's see how it goes.
Why would the gods choose you? Why must it be you? Amaka, you belong to me. Your virginity belongs to me. Wait a minute. I hope you have no intention to go and make love with Prince Emeka and Chinedu. I will never allow that to happen.
Ebuka, calm down. I'm speechless. I don't know why the gods chose me.
Then go and tell the gods to leave you alone. Because you are mine and mine forever. Why must it be you? Please, Amaka. I beg you. Please don't leave me.
Ebuka,
I love you so much.
Get on your feet. Come on. What are you trying to do?
Please don't believe the will of the gods. Okay? I love you so much.
Ebuka, calm down. I'm even confused. I just want to go home and go and see my mom. I'm not getting it. I don't understand.
Amaka.
It's okay, son. It's okay. There is no need crying over spilled milk. The deed has already been done. I'm even happy you followed the instructions.
My brother, it is not your fault. It is the will of the gods. Nobody knows the plans he has for us for the future.
My dear sister, you are too young to understand. It is only the pregnant woman that knows the pain of miscarriage.
Welcome.
Yeah.
How did it go?
Or we have done what the gods desire. I just hope this will not bring disaster to this palace and to the entire community.
May the gods forbid.
The gods forbid as well.
No competition in destiny. Come rain, come shine, the destined will always prevail.
Dikeh won't solve this problem. Emeka can't go against his tradition.
Just go back to Frank. Frank is willing and ready to get married to you right here and right now. And moreover, he's gonna be back soon.
To hell with Frank. I want Prince Emeka. He's the one I want. I want him to be the father to my children.
Baby, don't make mistakes you'll get to regret. Don't is a lifetime decision you're taking.
What mistake are we talking about here? Prince Emeka cannot run away from his shadow. I am pregnant for him.
Amaka, my daughter, you have heard what Akoba said yesterday, that you should not sleep with any man until the day that you sleep with the two princes on Eke Market Day. If you allow anybody to touch your virginity before that day, madness is the portion. I have said my own no.
Mama, honestly, I don't like the wish of the gods over me. Why did they choose me to sleep with two men at the same time? I won't survive it.
No, don't say it like that. The gods are wise. You will survive it. As long as you are the chosen one, nothing evil will come to you. Nothing will happen to you. You will survive.
Mama, understand me. My life is at risk. If I should submit myself to two of them, I will feel like a rape victim.
Amaka, my sweet daughter, don't feel like that. Nothing bad will come to you, eh?
Gods of our land, why me now? Why me?
It's okay. It is the wish of the God. It's okay. Don't cry. Everything will be alright. Everything will be alright, my daughter. Don't cry. You will see.
Chukwuemeka, I understand how you feel. I know it hurts very much. But you have to put yourself together and begin to plan how to fulfill the wishes of the gods. Son, you've taken the first step, which goes to show that the gods are with you. Eh?
I think I did the right thing. At the same time, I feel sad deep down my heart. The way I started this affair with Rose was so unpleasant. Yes. I never intend to have any strong relationship with Rose. I never intended to.
Which goes to show that she must have persuaded you to fall in love with her.
Yes, she did. And Mother, honestly, I don't know how to fulfill the will of the gods with my brother.
Chukwuemeka, why are you this difficult with yourself? Why?
I think I have someone in mind. Her name is Amaka, Mazi Okoro's daughter. Mother, you see, at first I never wanted anything, but you see, as time goes by, I started developing this soft spot for her. And I think I'm falling in love with her.
Chai. This is really unbelievable. Why such tradition?
That is my point. This custom and tradition is strange to me. Why would these two princes make love to Amaka?
And do you know what I'm thinking right now? That very soon Amaka will get pregnant. And I wonder how the chief priest will detect exactly the biological father when the baby is delivered.
That will not happen. As far as I'm concerned, I will not allow Amaka to go to the palace. I will never allow that to happen.
Ebuka, take it easy. Where are you? Don't let the gods be angry at you. A commoner like you cannot fight the royal household. Do you know what you're thinking?
I don't care anymore. Let the gods be angry at me. This is the woman I love. I know what I feel for her.
But don't forget that the gods has made their decisions.
You know what? I think this time around, The gods are blind. You know, with love, there is always a price to pay. As for Amaka, I am ready to sacrifice anything and everything.
My friend, if you say so, I stand by you.
Your Highness, I greet you. Elders of our land, I greet you too.
You are welcome.
It is now time for the fulfillment of the gods. Let us wait for Akroba's procession. Ezinifite adika araifite. Ezinifite adika araifite.
Akroba, mouthpiece of the gods. Why did the gods decide to choose an innocent girl like Amaka? Why?
Prince Amaka, you must not do anything to obstruct the mission of the gods from being accomplished. Swallow your words. Watch events as they unfold. Do you understand me? Any attempt to thwart the plans of the gods, you will face their wrath. Now listen to it. As the blood of the fowl stains this white cloth, so will the blood of this virgin stain the bedsheet. Then two of you will go into action. The fowl will eventually be cooked. You three will eat it. Anybody who goes contrary to this command will face the gods of the land. Do you understand me? Do not attempt anything to the contrary.
Wonders shall never end. My eyes have seen my ears. This is a total abomination to me.
My sister, there's nothing one cannot see in this kingdom. How can the two princes be making love to a girl on the name of her apparent to a throne? This is crazy, may the gods forbid.
I heard you too. Are you forbidding the same gods that demanded this to happen?
Don't allow the gods to strike you to death, because the gods wishes this to happen for the betterment of this kingdom.
And if you two continue with those gossip, I will never hesitate to report you two to the king. And don't forget I'm the chief maiden. Rubbish.
If it's a Dikeh right future. Isn't if it's a Dikeh right future. Isn't if it's a Dikeh right future.
Your mood. How can the gods choose Amaka? How? Who doesn't know that girl in this village? That Akuna Kuna. I am sure the gods are blind for choosing her. Do you know your problem? Jealousy and greed. Because the gods have chosen Amaka as a virgin bride to the prince. And look at you, you are here lamenting. Will you shut up your mouth? Make your porno say so. Am I not saying the truth? Am I not? I am sure the girl must have lost her virginity long time ago. And I know she got spared with the chief prince. Now I know where you're heading to. Oh! Because you lost your virginity. You lost your virginity long time ago. And you thought Amaka would have lost hers. Nem. Chilele. In fact, Atro Kagem. Look at she-goats. Who no leleno she-goats calling me Atro? You, who sleeps with everything on trousers and shorts, even in the bush, calling me Atro. Oh, the man, go to your house. Let me go to my own. Since I'm an Atro. Go home. Come on, now. Go.
Isn't if it's a Dikeh right?
Virginity. What of Akroba the Great? We've been waiting for him. Is he not done?
Isn't it a Dikeh right? Your Highness, Akroba the Great has his own way of going and coming. Though he might be human, but he moves in spirit. Huh? He moves in spirit. Therefore, let the wait continue. Let the waiting continue. Let it continue. Isn't it Vita Dikeh around Kifite? Let the waiting continue.
I come. Oh, yeah, we're not. Hey! Hey! I'm going to sing it all day. Go sing it. Oh, I'm sorry. Go. You have food. Have a party. You know, which one will I go now? I'll be here with a woman. I'm going to sing it on this. I see my one shake it on the edge. Rush in the way. Oh, one shake. Roshikata, oh, Shuna.
How is my daughter doing? Tell me. How is she doing? The mama, talk to me. How is she doing?
It hurts when parents give out their daughters for free. The worst of it all is that
it's alright, say no more. I know how you feel. I also feel bad about this situation. It's why we to question the gods. But there's one thing I can assure you. Once the biological father of that child has been announced, the full bride price of Amaka must be paid. I know that the royal family must observe our tradition. So calm yourself. It's alright, it's alright. Alright.
Now, this is a symbol of the covenant with the gods of the land. You eat this, follow all the processes, and you live long. You won't have any problem. But go contrary to the instructions. You have disaster, calamity, all your life until you die. Be warned. Don't play with the instructions of the gods of the land. I go. I want to sing Kitty Onesi. Woshikata.
No competition in dancing.
I want to sing Kitty Onesi.
Come rain, come shine, the destined will always prevail. What must be will always remain. This whole game will end someday. No competition in destiny. No competition in destiny. When we fight, when we war, the struggle may last for like come what may, the destiny will always prevail. This whole game will end someday. No competition in destiny. No competition in destiny.
Chukwemeka, why are you moving around as if you lost a plot of land or something? What is it? What is it in you?
Mom, I feel guilty. I feel very guilty the way we treated Amaka.
Guilty?
Yes, Mom.
Guilty of what?
Mom, that girl sold her pride. She sold her pride with pains and agony. She did what she did out of her will, and she did it because of the custom and tradition of this kingdom. Mom, that girl is innocent. She's innocent. Well, okay, why her? Why Amaka? Why must the gods choose her? Why not someone else?
Hey, stop. The sooner you wipe off this wrong notion you have about this whole thing, the better for you. The deed has been done and there's nothing anyone can do about it. What I don't even understand in this whole matter is why this sudden interest in this girl?
Because I love her. I love her so deeply.
Chukwemeka, you not give me this house.
Mother, this is not a laughing matter. It is not.
The reason why I am laughing is I can remember very well that you once told me that you were in love with Rose, not Amaka. The sudden swap in this emotion, I don't understand. Yes, you told me once that you're developing something for Amaka, but I didn't take you serious. So why this swap? Okay, you love Amaka, you love Rose. That is okay. Okay, we're not going to drag that. But let me go to the main reason why I came to this room. Chukwemeka. See, Chukwemeka, tell me, how did it go between you and your brother? Who climbed first?
Mother, is that why you walked into my room? I am disappointed in you, Mom.
I don't have time for all this. We'll talk about it. It's something we must talk about.
No.
So disgusting.
How could you? Huh? How could you allow yourself to get pregnant? And you never deemed it fit to let me know that you're pregnant for me?
Who planted the seed? No, I want to know. Who planted the seed?